Hey, my name is David from Wendigo Motors, and I want to show you guys today how to change a tire. As part of a line of educational videos I want to make to help you learn how to work on your own car. Removing the lug nuts of the tire can be done in any order. And what you want to do first is break them loose with a large wrench, and then they can be removed by hand as shown here. The tire can be removed like so, exposing your wheel hub, rotor, caliper, and suspension parts. When you want to put the tire back on, simply tighten the lug nuts down to hand tight, and then tighten the lug nuts with a wrench across the wheel, and as shown here. Tightening across the wheel ensures for an even tightness across the entire wheel, lessening the chance of your wheel shaking. And let the car down nice and evenly, and that's how you change a tire.